Organized in your life and business for 2019? Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite goals for staying organized in my business. Hi, I'm AllieDanae with a social worker agency, and I help creative entrepreneur females all across the country set goals for their business and actually achieve them through my Boss Babe mentorship program. And today I'm going to be talking with you all about my Simplified, using the Simplified planner, and I am using the daily version. So I'm going to be explaining a little bit for you today about why I chose a daily planner and what it looks like on the inside and how I use it to stay organized. So let's dive in. The first thing that I love about the Simplified planners are they're really sturdy and durable, plus they're really, really pretty. I've used a different pattern each year. I did the white dot, the navy dot, and now the stripe. And then one year I did use the weekly planner, but decided to go back to the daily planner for the last 2 years. So I want to show you my month page. And you see how it just so happens that all the same dots ended up on all the same days. I'll give you a closer look here. You can see all the yellow dots are on Tuesday and all the teal dots are on Monday. And that was not intentional. That was just kind of how it fell for the month of September. I use the AllieDanae stickers. They match the happy stripe and they make me really happy. And I use these and coordinated them with my Power Sheets goals and categories. So my Power Sheets are category-based goals and not necessarily like goal-specific colors. And so it made it really easy to match these colors with those. And then I can use them, I can use these in my Power Sheets and I can use Power Sheet stickers in my planner. So what I do first when I use my monthly planner is I look at any events I have coming up that I can't miss or that other people are relying on me for, that are like outside of work or outside of the office or things like that. So we'll go here. So all the pink ones are weddings that I have. So, those, I can't plan anything else on those days. And then we'll start with these two blue dots. Those are meetings that aren't standard meetings. They are, meetings with a certain organization, and they're under a certain category for my goals and for my life in general. And so you'll notice that they're on different squares, different places on the squares. I'm going to cover up my face for a minute, which is probably not YouTube etiquette, but. So what it means is this one is a little bit lower in the square, so it's an early afternoon meeting. This one is up closer to the date, which is a morning meeting. And then you'll notice the green ones are beside the date, and for me that means it's an all-day task or an all-day event. So yes, weddings are all day, but I put them at the bottom just because I wanted, like, my whole day is blocked off, so nothing else can go on them. And then teal stickers are for client calls, so I have them on Mondays and Wednesdays, and they're not all the same clients. And so for me to differentiate, I take my day, so I use the daily page like this. And I use the daily planner because the weekly just did not have enough room for me to write. I'm a paper and pen girl. I have to write everything down, and the weekly one just didn't give me enough space. Some people love the weekly planner because they can see their whole week all at once, but for me, you can tell I have a lot I need to do today. I don't need to worry about what's due tomorrow. So that's kind of why I went back to the daily pages, just because I have so much I have to keep up with in my head. I do use Trello, I do use Asana, I do use Google Calendar. I use Todoist as well, but this is just, if I were to lose this, I don't know what would happen. It would be really bad. Thankfully, I have been using my Google Calendar a little bit more to keep up with appointments. Like when clients book an appointment, it goes to my Google Calendar, which is really helpful. But I also have to have it here. And I don't always use color stickers on these pages just because that means I'm going to have to order more color stickers and I use them all. But I am going to start using them, and so I want to show you what that would look like. So this is Monday, and you can see I have a meeting around 2, it's actually at 2:30 and then one at 4:30, and so I put the color dot for what business it's, or what category these meetings are in, and then who it's with. And then what I'll also do is So today is Wednesday. When I go to plan my week next week, I will come in here and at, let's see, 9 a.m., you can see that, 9 a.m., I'll write DBH for daily business hour, and then I'll put, what I need to work on that day. And then again, you can just see on the next page, I have a meeting that night, and it's community meeting, so it's yellow. I had a community meeting last night, but it was a different organization. So on my monthly, it all looks the same. It's all yellow, but I know going into my daily notes section that it's going to be a different event. And then this is Wednesdays are typically a busy morning for me. I have these 3 standard calls for different things and different event meetings. That's how I use my monthly and my daily Simplified planner to stay organized in my business. It really just gives me a quick overall. If you don't want to do the dot stickers, what I used to do is write everything in black and then take colored highlighters and highlight them for different, this color was for church events, this color was for work events, this color was for travel. And then I decided to do the stickers this year just to kind of try it out. And I really like how clean. I'm going to show you again the beginning of September. Like, just how clean does this look? And if something gets canceled, you just peel the sticker off and you don't have to worry about crossing it out or whiting it out or anything like that. So the Simplified Planner is launched today. If you're watching this when I first put it up, September 5th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. If you're watching after, they're already live, and I have a $10 off code for you. So if you go to the link below, it's bit.ly/T, S, W, Simplified. You can get $10 off your entire purchase, and then I will earn some pineapple points, which is really exciting. Again, I'm using the daily planner, and I haven't decided what cover I'm going to get this year. I'm looking at the watercolor one because it's just beautiful. But that is kind of my rundown. If you have any questions about how to set up a planner, whether it's simplified or not, put your question in the comment box below, and I will be sure to answer that. Have a great day.